Another interesting tool for creating soft shapes is here, blob brush. As I said before, for brush size, you have to hold Alt and click and drag to the left and right. And then we have some settings here. This is brush radius. As I said before, you can right click and the brush tool and reset it if you want. And use pen pressure if you have a tablet pen, you can use it. Auto strokes automatically create a stroke for your blob. This is blob blush. As you can see, it's checkers. It means it's selected and you can change the fill color if you want. But unfortunately, you have to, as I said before, you have to select it and then do it. Before drawing, you have to decide it in a style. But if you want to select it here, you can select it and then you can change it. Nice. And you can continue blob brush. But it is old brush. I have to, oops. For deleting that, you have to click and drag and delete. For blob brush, you can use auto stroke, add a stroke. It's automatically point reduction, or you can use a point reduction. Here is automatically reduction with this percentage. Merge strokes, and as you can see, if you continue drawing, it's merging the strokes together. Nice. This is a blob brush. You can smoothing it. For example, if you don't want any smoothing, as you can see, it gives you this sharp angle. But for example, come here. If you smooth it a lot, going zigzag, as you can see, it's automatically smoothing for you. So this is smooth in this direction is nice. You can reset tool to it. But if you turn off the merge stroke, as you can see, it does not connect the strokes together. It's sometimes useful if you want to create simple tool. You can control A and delete all of them, going to the select point or shortcut G. Don't forget, this is our frame, and it's important. If you draw something out of the frame, it does not create a vector. If you zoom it, it does not work properly. For example, if you come here and we are going here, it's very important that you create your art during this render area. Okay, this is blob blush, simple and useful. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.